There you go. So service indicator in red is coming up on the dash. So if you go through to options, and it brings up your info source, and then using your iDrive, you can literally just knock down on your dial, select service, and then again go down on the dial, go down to that one, schedule date for service. You can select that by pushing down, and then you've got your dates there. So obviously it was December, so I'll knock that down for another 12 months. Push enter, goes on to the year, put it on 2020, push down again, and that should be it. And then you can literally just back. No. Menu. Yep, come back out. So that should be it. So let's just turn it off and double check. Key out. Key back in again. Yeah, the car was in amber, so that's okay. Right, okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.